coyote right there. Walking through the neighborhood. Welcome to Canada, where the lines on the road only mean something for about half the year. Second YouTube video ever. The reason I'm making this, pretty much just simply for the sake of trying to get better at this. There's always something I mess up, filming and editing, and I'm never gonna get better if I don't practice that skill, so I'm just making this video just to practice those skills, because I really want to be able to be good at that filming and editing when I do go on like some solo trips and stuff. I'm just practicing the skill. I want to get better at it, looking at the camera, talking to the camera, thinking of ideas, how to make this interesting. Today we're doing, what's it called? Little Beehive via Agnes Lake with myself, my dog Leo in the back, and Alex Potop, who, lucky bastard, lives in Banff, so I'm on my way to pick him up. Alright, well, we have made it to Banff outside Alex's house. And since I'm here though, in the meantime, I'm gonna make a little quick stop. Leo? Hey buddy, you doing okay? You excited? Yeah, he's a good boy. Almost there. Almost there. So your first time in Canada?
It was the second time, first time driving.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
and, in the UK, you can just...
Yeah, on MasterCard. No, I just want the one. Yeah.
And in the UK, you can just fuel then pay.
Yeah? Oh, okay. Yeah. No, I think too many people would just drive away.
No.
Alright, yeah. Well, have a good time, man.
Yeah, so mine's a white car.
You know, we can't do a hike without a sacrificial mountain monster. But yeah, this is the type of stuff I'm trying to get better at. I have a camera on my head and I'm walking to a gas station and talking to a person with a camera on my head. Which is weird, you know, but that's the kind of skill I'm trying to practice. Alright, Alex is here, Leo's ready. Now it's time to leave. How you feeling?
Cold. Does it ever get warmer?
Oh, that's fine.
Man, small beehive, it shouldn't be an issue. Easy hike.
I haven't done it before.
What?
No. Made it. Made it. I was hoping to get here when it was a bit darker, see the sunrise at the top or on the way up, but it's kind of already rising, so whatever. It's okay. Leo! Come on, buddy. Yeah. Happy dog?
Who's you good? Who's you good?
Leo, come here. Come here. Sit. Paw? Paw? Yeah, good boy. Spin. Oh, sit. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Gonna get geared up, get my jacket on, boots on, and we're gonna go. It is cold out. I wanna get moving. Get warmed up. Leo's a happy dog. Hey, do you know this whole trail? Do I even need all trails? You don't need it? Okay. Yeah.
It's all the same thing.
It's pretty cool. A hotel. Some ice sculptures.
The blocks in the very back, that's white and nib block.
Huh.
And then the little block right in front there, big beehive.
Okay.
And then you can also make double sum, that little rock spire in between the big one and the rock.
Uh-huh.
Just to the left of it, that's doubles.
Okay. So, what Alex is saying, a little beehive, we're going just straight up there. A little mountain bump in front of us. Leo, we're breaking in the trail, no one's here before us. So here you go, Leo. Be free. Yeah, go buddy, go, go, go. Or maybe, I don't know, close to an hour in. Sun's rising. Oh, it just feels so good out here. Like the fresh air. So relaxing. Watching Leo be a happy dog. Makes me happy. So here we are at Mirror Lake, just obviously frozen. There's Big Beehive, doable hike. And there's a Agnes tea house over there amongst the trees. This part gets a bit hilly. Leo's doing it like a champ. And Alex is a little bitch. He's pulling out the mountaineering axe now.
No, I don't need
Yeah.
it.
What a tourist.
Just for the aura.
Just for the aura.
I'm gonna shove you in the snow.
Leo's licking the snow out of his paws. Watching Alex fall like an idiot. Do not shortcut.
Okay, buddy?
I see why. Earlier, we missed our turn. Continue that way, had to turn back because somehow we missed our turn. This is our turn. So, in we go. Gonna be okay, Leo? Gonna have fun? Pretty deep here, like knee height most of the time. Leo's following in my footsteps. Come on. Yeah. Awesome. Alex is getting some of his gear on because he's afraid of the snow. Let's go, buddy. Come on, come on. Yeah. There goes my little snow plow. Yeah. But we are going to be breaking our own trail up here. For sure. Gotta go all the way up there and over there. Ready, bud? Yeah. Oh, what a grandpa.
I'm too heavy.
Yeah, clearly. Out of the three of us, I think Leo has the hardest time on this terrain, so we're both trying to break trail for him. Leo, hold up, let me go first. Break the trail for him, get a little easier. It's so beautiful, it's so warm, but you know, it is deep. That's not hitting the bottom anywhere. So, breaking the trail. Leo making his way.
I guess we're just raw dogging this.
Yeah, raw dogging it. Literally.
I went down to my hips here.
Yeah. Got a little convoy behind us. Whew! It's deep. Definitely like quite a lot of tree wells around here. Every now and then you step on something and you just sink completely. So going ahead, because like you see a little twig like this, there's like a whole tree under there. I could step on this and sink all the way. So just being careful for Leo. I would like him to not get stuck. Yeah. Oh. Man.
You good?
Yeah, it's just so beautiful.
Thanks, I did my best for you today.
Yeah. Oh. Look at him.
Why are you getting
So cute. Hey, Leo. Breaking your own trail. Don't get stuck. Yeah, got the tree well right there. Come on. You got it? Yeah, you got it,
I think
buddy.
that might be this one.
Hey. Hey.
That's fucked.
Having a fun time? Alright. Let's keep moving. Definitely looks touch avalanchy.
Huh.
Bit slopey in this part, but nonetheless, getting it done. Oh man, going through all this deep snow. Okay, show off. Hell of a leg workout. So much more friction. Definitely prefer this over Stairmaster though. My leg just fell in snow and then there's a tree well. My leg's just hanging there. Just hanging. See how deep it is. Oh. Okay. I think go like around this tree. Not gonna make it through here. Look at that.
You could go downwards. Across.
That way?
Yeah, towards those trees. Yeah, there's a whole...
Yeah. Leo!
Oh, there's rocks here now, that's why.
Yeah. Come on this way. Leo. This way. Come here. No, come here, Leo. Come on. Come on. Yeah.
Ah, there we go. That's the rock.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, be careful heading through rocks, so that's why everything's collapsing here.
Yeah. So over here.
Avalanches on St. Piran as well up there.
Yeah. We got to stick to the left up here till it's a little bit less slope, then go across. You can see here, it's like an avalanche zone, and all these trees are leaning this way, and they got no branches on one side. And we don't want to be in an avalanche, do we, Leo? Yeah. He's such a good dog. Such a good boy. Oh, we're just about there. Oh, God. So exhausting doing this with all this fresh powder this whole time. Breaking trail. Leo's tired too. Good thing we're almost at the top. I'm not surprised if he's gonna take a little power nap. It's probably slightly out of my comfort zone for things I want Leo to do, but he did handle it well, and I'm gonna have an easier time on the way back. Give him some good treats up there and refuel. I know he's having a blast, but this is pretty hard on him, especially now that he's a bit older. Almost 8 years old. But I know he still finds it really fun, but I know it is a bit challenging. Doing good though. Try to make things easier for this guy and he just breaks his own trail. Oh god.
I'm on my knee.
Yeah. I guess he is a lot lighter. 4 legs. He's got the advantage. Are you ready? Oh man, this is like basically it though.
Yeah.
We've made it to the top here. We went that way, but then decided that the view is better over here and it's kind of flatter, so we're gonna stay up here, take our break. It'd be really cool if we saw an avalanche off one of those slopes. That'd be awesome. But I can chill up here, do my little Insta short form videos and chill out, have a snack, let Leo rest, and make our way back down. Yeah, beautiful time. You can see the hotel down there, and I don't know what those people are doing. There's the skate rink, those ice sculptures we saw at the beginning, and our cars somewhere. Oh, yep, there's our car in the parking lot. Oh, but wow. All these mountains. So beautiful. Hey, Leo. I'm gonna give him the time he needs. Get all the little stuff off of him. Leo is so tired, I think he just wants to take a nap on my leg. Oh. He's gonna have a really good nap in the car. Soaking up the sun.
Oh, nope. Ah, it's going in my sleeves. Ah!
Oh, I wish I just recorded you face planting into the snow.
Don't push me, you motherfucker. You're supposed to be my friend.
Yeah, trying to
You're
push
supposed to
you.
be man's best friend, dog.
Wants you to fall off.
Ah! Yeah. Oh, fucking snow. Oh, it's all on my sleeves. God damn it. Fuck. I'm gonna kill myself. I'm actually gonna blow my brains out. He charged up the mountain with that stuff.
Alright, Alex, I got 4,000 calories worth of chocolate to get through.
You're gonna eat the whole thing?
No!
Yeah. Well, life is good here indeed. Oh yeah, I might as well show you the other side. I can't. Where is it? That's the mountain ranges in the back.
Wow, you're gonna love it.
Mm.
You're gonna love it. All right, I'm getting back to writing notes. But
All
hopefully I
good.
can meet you up there when she goes to work there.
Oh, I'm not carrying her up here. We almost died.
For all the viewers, do not worry. Leo's getting plenty of treats and love. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Making our way back down now. Oh, it's a good hike. Definitely much easier to do in the summer.
What makes you say that?
Again, this descent is so much easier. Having it been already broken in, so much quicker. Yeah, and here comes Leo. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey. Hi. Whew.
Could just cut down.
Let's see if I can get Alex or Leo. Damn it. Oh. You want some water, bud? Leo?
Prepping himself to jump.
Yeah. Oh, there he goes.
Oh, there you go.
There he goes. Taking a little dip.
You should join him.
He's found a stick. Almost back at the car. I'll let him take his time.
Oh, boy.
Oh, getting it.
That thing's entirely attached to that log.
Oh, we've made it.
My new.
Leo's dead.
When I get unbanned from him, it's pretty pudding. It's a snack?
Yeah, it is. Up we go. Yep. Up. There we go, bud. Home sweet home. Nice warm car. Here we go. Okay, home we go. Some good food, make Leo a good lunch. Alright, I've dropped Alex off, grabbed a coffee and a donut, some mom's banana bread, and home time. End of the video.